how do you prevent this customer from just being a one-time customer? Okay, because chances are, if you're just a tire store, they'll see you, if they have one car, they'll see you every 4 years. That's all they'll see. Okay, and how do you prevent that from happening? Because you've got to build a business. If you can see your customers regularly and you can retain your customers regularly, it's so much more valuable. But here's the truth about it. Of first-time customers, only 25% of first-time customers will return for a second visit, regardless of why they come. Okay? Now that may be shocking to you. So let me say it another way. 75% of your first-time customers don't come back. And I know that just hits to the core of anybody who's running a store. They say, well, I give great service. My number's higher. I've seen it. I've seen this run on so many businesses, and 25% is great. Okay. The reality is you don't know why the customer is not coming back. And this is the same for restaurants. Restaurants run the same challenge. But if they can get to the fourth visit, you start to feel a little bit like family. And the same thing can happen at your facility. So if you can develop a strategy to be able to get the customer to come back in. So Nat, any idea what a strategy would be to get a customer, your first time tire customer, in for a second visit? What would be an idea? I'm popping this on you right at the last moment.
Coupon, maybe a coupon. My favorite is tire storage if you live in winter.
Yeah, for sure. So if you gave them, say, free tire storage on their first tires, if they were buying a winter tire, that would be a great strategy. Another strategy might be their next service is free, okay? Or a discount on their next service. The reality is that customer is standing right in front of you right now. If you can move them along this chain, you can really move it up. Any fans of Gary Vaynerchuk in the room? That Gary V is what he goes by. He's got a video on YouTube about this, what you need to do in the restaurant industry to be able to get the customers to the fourth visit. And once you got them to the fourth visit, there's a 70% likelihood that they'll come back. So go search out that video and have a look at it.